In today's video, we are going to talk about roofs. Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. If a roof is damaged by hail, high winds, or water, there's usually no option other than repair or replace, which means figuring out what's covered under your homeowner's insurance policy. Damage due to wear and tear or deterioration of your roof generally will not be paid by the insurance company. This is considered maintenance and is excluded under most homeowners' policies. If a covered loss, such as hail, damages a roof that is already in need of maintenance due to wear and tear or deterioration, your insurance policy may not cover all or part of your claim. Likewise, if only a portion of the roof is damaged, your insurance policy may cover the repair of the damaged portion only. When you decide to start repairs, make sure that you hire a contractor that is licensed by the Maryland Home Improvement Commission to perform the work. You should read your policy to better understand what types of losses are covered and which perils are excluded. And as always, talk with your insurance agent or company.